I'm shopping from TIRA for the first time. In this video, I will show you what did I bought, what I've used earlier, and what I'm excited about. If you are into skincare and wanted to start the anti-aging skincare routine but don't know where to start and what products to use, this video is for you. So guys, this is not a sponsored video. These are the products which I either used, repurchased or bought after a lot of research. So I will tell you who should use this, who should not, and what I'm planning to do with them. So stay tuned.
A few inches later.
So this is how the packaging looks like. The bill and some bubble wrapping. About the packaging is really nice. They have wrapped it so nicely on the products. So let's unwrap it. So the first thing I got is this Ordinary. Let's start with this Ordinary Argireline Serum Solution 10%. And so this is my second bottle, which tells you a lot. Argireline is often called as a Botox in a bottle, but let me tell you, it is not a Botox. So what it does is it softens the expression lines over the period of time if you are very consistent. So this is how the texture looks like. This is kind of watery texture. I usually use this around the forehead, on the expression lines, around the eyes, and it is lightweight, watery, and works best when you use it daily. And you know, if you are starting to notice fine lines and repetitive expression lines, this is a good option to start. And if you are very young and someone who wants instant result on their fine lines or expression lines, then this is not for you because skincare takes time. And the second product I got is this Minimalist Vitamin C Serum. I have used vitamin C serum from other brands, but I'm using Minimalist brand for the first time. Earlier I have used vitamin C from Claire's, which is much milder, but I wanted to move something with a higher percentage, so I chose this one. This contains 16% of vitamin C serum plus vitamin E plus ferulic acid. So let's open it. And if you are new to vitamin C and have a sensitive skin, I suggest you to start with a lower percentage. It's also a clear kind of. So this vitamin C is more suitable if you have already used vitamin C earlier. The next product is again from Ordinary. It is Growth Factor 15% solution. Growth Factor serum is something I'm very curious about. I am using it for the first time. It's also the same watery consistency. So what the Growth Factor product does is it focuses on the aging concern and the skin repair, but it will take time. It is not something which does magic overnight, you know. I will be using this consistently and sharing my results later. And you can also follow my Instagram account if you want to be consistent and want to see more reviews about this product. So if you wanted to get into the anti-aging skincare routine, you have to include a peptide serum or a peptide cream in your skincare routine. If you wanted to get the Ordinary peptide serum, I have used it earlier also. It is very good, but this time it was out of stock on TIRA, so I couldn't get it. I'll be adding that later because peptide works really well with skincare routines and you also must get it. So the next product I got is this oil cleanser from Round Lab. I have heard a really good thing about this cleanser, and recently I have gotten into this double cleansing thing, so I thought I just need to try this cleanser. Honestly, double cleansing have really changed my skincare game, especially if you use makeup or even a sunscreen. So oil cleanser is a very good investment. The next I got is this moisturizer, again from the Round Lab. Actually, there was no need of moisturizer, but I always get tempted by the moisturizer or the sunscreens. No. So this was a temptation buy. I am really excited to use the product and how it works with my actives. So look at the packaging, guys. It's super cute. By the way, it is a glass jar. Let's see the texture. And of course, TIRA Freebies. Let's open it. Look at this bag. This tote bag is super cute, and there's a cute purse with it, and there's one more freebie. This is a minimalist sunscreen, and you know what, we love skincare shopping gives emotional support gifts. So yeah, this is a nice one. I'll just put all my skincare products inside it. Whoa! Done. In my next video, I will share how I plan to use all these products in my actual morning and night skincare routine. And if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will update you honestly what works and what doesn't. So see you in the next one. Bye-bye.